So already we sent the solutions Python for data science. Check all the assignment we submitted. Okay, assignment number one, assignment number two, assignment number four, and the solutions. If you'll come here, I will scroll up. All the solutions one by one we solved. Okay, all the solutions I will show you also. You can also solve all the solutions. Don't just put the answer. Okay. So this is a way to solve. And here also you can check. There is no error. Okay. If I will also compile here, there is no error. Thank you so much. So this is the week 0. Number first week 0. We solve all the problems. If you have any query, then please ask. We will also send the solutions. Second is 3. And third is sample 1. And fourth is, if you will count, then you will get 173. This one is you have to find the ratio. Okay, the ratio will be this. Question number 6, this is very simple question. You have to find, this is the histogram. Okay, and question 3, natural number. Okay, product of the 3 natural number. Question number 7, you will get 1 by 8. And the mean of the first natural number. This is very simple question, n plus 1 upon 2. And question number 9, 120 was 28 players, so total compare are 127. And this is a very simple question, already we solved it. This is the answer. Okay, so you can see all the answers are correct. Done. Now we will go to the second one. We have also solved all the problem here. So at first we will go this one. In first we have two ID. In one ID we solve all the problem. This is the second ID. So in this question, the first one, which of the following valid variable? Okay, so everyone know which one is the valid variable. This is the not guaranteed. Okay, RAM. Okay, and second, which of the statement is invalid? Okay, so you can see this is invalid, other data is correct. Okay, third one, assignment operator. Everyone know this one is the assignment operator. Third one, and fourth one, which command you find the data type. Everyone know how to find data type by the help of type. And fifth one, statement executed. Okay, if you solve the problem, then you will get 11 answer. Okay, so all answers are correct. Okay, this is the second ID. Okay, now assignment number 1, quiz number 1. So this also we will send the solution also. Okay, so week number 1, if you will find, the solution will be which of the following. You can write these program in W3 schools. Okay, the first answer is this, minus 9 upon 7. The answer will be minus 2. Okay, we already solved string, that is already string. Third question, this is string, everyone know. And fourth question, already we discussed which one is the invalid. Okay, question number 4, which one is the invalid? This is also invalid, and numbers cannot come here. Okay, so while naming the variable, use any special character other underscore, throw the type error. So which one is the syntax error? Okay, question number 5 is the syntax error. And x is equal to MAYUR. Which of the following command convert x float to data type? Not possible, impossible. Now, which Python library commonly used for the wrapping manipulation? Okay, question number 7. So everyone know pandas, already we used. X is equal to 10, y is equal to 5, z is equal to 3. Okay, solve all the problem in W3 school. Answer. At first you will use this operator. Okay, then you will use plus operator. If you will calculate, then the answer will be y 5 upon 3 is equal to, remainder is equal to 2. 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. Answer is equal to 12. Question number 9. So question number 9, J is equal to 6, G is equal to 3.3. All the solutions we will send you. Okay. So you will get answer float. Okay. Question number 10, A is equal to 5, B is equal to 3. So this is the AND operator. Okay. If you will calculate 5 and 3, that is 1 actually answer. Okay. This is our second ID. First ID already we solved. Okay. All answer we solved. Now we are going. Okay, this we submitted. Now third one I will submit. At first I will submit this is non-guaranteed. Okay, at first I will submit the non-guaranteed. So the solutions already sent. Now A is equal to good morning. How to convert the first one? Okay, this one is the week 2 not guaranteed. Title, only because of title we can send. Product, price, brand, stationery. This problem we send all the solutions. Please check the second video. The second answer is this will be correct answer. Third one is how to remove. Clear, only clear we can remove. Okay, in set only clear we can remove. My list is equal to this. What is the index of D? You can count 0 to this is the 7. Okay, 4. And fifth one, what is the following Python data type is immutable? Everyone know this is very simple. Tuple. This is tuple. Third. Done. Okay, you can see all the answers are correct. Okay, now the fourth one we will check here. Now we will go to the check here, and here which of the following object does not support indexing? This is a very common question. Okay, set, and numpy, you can use numpy. We will send the solutions of the problem. Okay, so if you will solve the second, then you will get 4 5 6. Okay, and what is the following of this code? Very simple. You have to add one by one. At first 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, then 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Very simple question. Question number third, 1 2 3 4. So you are importing this. What is the value? You have to here you have to, the range is 0 to 15, and row is equal to 3, column is equal to 5. Very simple. So this answer will be this. Okay, now you have to please, already we teach in the class also how to use the format method. Okay, so my friend house is in Chennai, you have to print. So the first one is correct. Okay, and the last one is also correct, from Chennai, already we taught in the class. So now T1 is equal to 1 2 tuple, already we told. This problem also we solved, list tuple everything we solved. T1 is equal to 1 2 tuple 4, T2 is equal to 5 c. Which one is the, he is asking which of the following will not give the error of the execution. Question number 6, if you will solve, so 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, we will send you also the solution how to, question number 7, this is also same question. In question number 7 the solution will be 1, sorry, this is D2 point append 4. This is correct. 1 2, this is correct, this is correct. Okay, which of the following data is immutable? Everyone know this is very simple double. And now this is very common question. You have to add phone number. You have to add a phone number. You have to add a phone number and age. Okay, so very simple question. You can see here question number 2, age you are adding and phone you are adding, updating. And here also student phone you are adding and update you are adding, updating. So this in this Mahesh, capitalize, you have to capital all the value. Very simple. This question number 1 done, answer. So all problem we have solved. Thank you so much. Okay, thank you.